Did you know your iPhone doesn't actually turn off Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth from Control Center? That's why they turn back on automatically overnight. But today, I'll show you a shortcut that completely turns them off with one tap. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who turns off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or mobile data before sleeping, but then wakes up and realizes they somehow turned back on automatically, this video is for you. The shortcut fully disables all three at once, and they stay off until you turn them back on manually. Let's set it up. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Now tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Next, tap Search Actions. Search for Wi-Fi. Choose Set Wi-Fi. Now it says Turn Wi-Fi on. Tap on On and change it to Off. Now don't leave yet. Tap on Search Actions again at the bottom. Search for Cellular Data. Choose Set Cellular Data. Again, tap on and change it to Off. Now one more time, tap Search Actions. Search for Bluetooth. Choose Set Bluetooth. And once again, change On to Off. Perfect. Now tap the little arrow at the top, tap Rename. You can name it anything you want. Maybe something like Wi-Fi off or Turn everything off. Whatever works for you. Now tap the down arrow again and choose Add to Home Screen. You can even customize the icon. Tap the image icon. Choose a photo you already created or downloaded. Adjust it however you like. Then tap Choose. Finally, tap Add. Now the shortcut is on your home screen. And here is the best part. Whenever you tap this shortcut, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular data all turn off completely. And unlike Control Center, they stay off overnight until you manually turn them back on. What makes this even better, you can add the shortcut to your dock so it's always available on every home screen page. You can also add it directly to Control Center. Here is how. Open Control Center, tap and hold, or tap the plus icon at the top left. Tap Add a Control, search for Shortcuts, tap Choose, then select the shortcut you just created. And now you can turn everything off instantly, right from Control Center. This is super useful because it can help save battery life overnight, gives you more privacy and control, stops unwanted automatic connections, and honestly, it's just way more convenient than running everything off separately every single time. And that's it guys, one of the most useful iPhone shortcuts you can create. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share this with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.